Chapter 15. Conjunctions. Conjunctions are words used to connect words, phrases, or clauses in a sentence. They help in creating more complex and informative sentences. Types of conjunctions. There are three basic types of conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, correlative conjunctions. Let's learn all the three types of conjunctions in detail. Coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions join words, phrases, clauses, and sentences of equal rank or grammatical units of the same kind. For, not, nor, but, or yet, and so are coordinating conjunctions. There are four types of coordinating conjunctions. First, cumulative or copulative conjunctions. Second, adversative conjunctions. Third, alternative or distinctive conjunctions. Fourth, elative conjunctions. First, cumulative or copulative conjunctions. If conjunctions add one statement or a fact to another, they are cumulative conjunctions. For example, Amit is not only poetic but also good in art. It is both the chef's and the waiter's fault. Second, adversative conjunctions. The conjunctions that show the contrast between two statements when joined, they are adversative conjunctions. These include however, whereas, while, only, still, but, yet, and nevertheless. For example, she ran fast but couldn't win the race. I was sleeping while she was talking. Third, alternative or distinctive conjunctions. If conjunctions express a choice between statements, they are alternative conjunctions. For example, either the teacher or the principal has to make the decision. Neither Rahul nor Geeta is present. Fourth, elative or illustrative conjunctions. If conjunctions show that one fact or statement is inferred and proved from the other, they are illustrative conjunctions. These include therefore, then, so, for, consequently, thus, etc. For example, she is a genius, thus she scores well on all tests. He is loyal, therefore he is rewarded. Subordinating conjunctions. A subordinating is used to connect a subordinating clause, also called a dependent clause, to an independent clause. Unlike an independent clause, a subordinate clause cannot stand by itself as a complete sentence. Subordinating conjunctions denote time, cause or reason, purpose, concession or contrast, condition, comparison, manner or extent, result, effect or consequence, place. First, time. As soon as, no sooner than, hardly or scarcely, before or when, as long as, so long as, after, as, while, till, until, unless, since, when, etc. For example, as soon as I reached the school, the bell rang. Affirmative. No sooner did I reach school than the bell rang. Negative. Hardly or scarcely had I reached the school when the bell rang. Second, cause or reason. Because, since, for, as, etc. For example, everybody loves him because he's honest. I will go there since you desire it. Third, purpose. That, so that, in order that, lest, etc. For example, we take exercise that we may keep fit. She worked hard that, or so that, or in order that she might pass. Fourth, concession or contrast. Though, although, however, yet, still, not, withstanding, even, if, etc. For example, though or although he is weak, he can walk. However hard you may work, you cannot win the scholarship. Fifth, conditional. If, unless, if not, provided that, strong idea of limitation, whether, only, if, in case, etc. For example, if you work hard, you will pass. You can succeed provided you work properly. Sixth, comparison. As, so as, than, more than, less than, as much as, etc. For example, she is as beautiful as her sister. This jug contains less milk than. Seventh, manner or extent. As far as, according as if, etc. For example, do as I tell, or advise, or direct you. He talks as if he were mad. Eighth, result, effect, or consequence. That, so that, such as, etc. For example, we eat that we may live. This is such a pen that you must buy it. Place, where, whence, whither, etc. For example, I found the pen where I left it. She never told us whence she had come. Correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions are used in pairs related to each other. Each pair of correlative conjunctions has a different function. Either or, neither nor, both and, not only but also, whether or, as, so as though, although yet, rather than, such as, so that, such that, hardly, scarcely, when or before, etc. For example, I need flowers that are either red or pink. Lists two options. She would much rather play outside than sit in the house. States as preferred choice. Summary in the table form. Type of conjunction. Usage. Example. Coordinating. Usage. Used to connect two or more equal grammatical elements. Example. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Type of conjunction. Subordinating. Usage. Used to connect a subordinate clause, also called a dependent clause, to an independent clause. Example, after, although, as long as, before, once, since, whereas. Type of conjunction. Correlative. Usage. Pairs of conjunctions that work together. Examples, both and.